Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to change the distance measuring unit. So I'm going to show you how to change it from kilometers to miles, and also how to change the fuel consumption from liters per 100 kilometers to miles per gallon. This video should apply to these models made from 2007 all the way up to 2018, the first generation. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now you'll be using these menu buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, so you want to press twice either the right or the left button to get to the main menu. And then you will scroll through the menu options by pressing the down button until you reach units. Once on units, you will press OK in the middle to make a selection to enter the sub-menu, and then you will go down to consumption and distance, press OK, and here you can change it. As you can see, right now it's set to liters per 100 kilometers. I can change it to miles per gallon. I'm in the North America, so I'm gonna do this miles per gallon and miles, right? Now if I go back to the main menu, you can see everything here is set to miles, the distance, right? Okay, now if I scroll here to the options, you can see speed warning is in miles per hour, consumptions miles per gallon, average consumption, so everything is in US measurements, range is in miles. Only thing which I can see, the current speed did not change to miles per hour, it stayed in kilometers, but everything else has changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.